Hello friends, welcome back to the craft room. I'm really glad that you're here. We have a lot of good things to go through today. If you made it far in my last video, I talked about having a purge day today. Last time we did a purge day, it was a live. We can't swing that this time, so everything is listed on the website and it is whoever pays for it first, it's yours, okay? I've got projects that I'm wanting to get rid of. I do have some quilt tops that I'm ready to part with. This is kind of an interesting dynamic because I make a lot of things just to have new content on here, but the list of things that I actually want to finish because I want them is a very different list. So all of these projects are beautiful and I really am excited for them to go to good homes, but I just know that I don't want to spend my time to finish them. So let's get them in someone's hands that will. First up, I wanted to talk about this bundle that you can kind of see right there. So if you have been with me for a long time, this is the Stars for Carter quilt along that we did. But then I redid the videos because I got better at them and we did a different version where there's like reds and yellows and browns, and I actually have that one upstairs. But I found some of the Let It Bloom fabric, which are these cute birds. This is one that I had in my shop at the very beginning, and I hoarded some for a long time, but now it's time to part. So I sold a bunch of it to someone else already, actually. I think it was like 2 yards or something that I was hiding. Hoarding is something. That's a whole other hobby. But I found this half yard floating around, so I figured I would try my best to duplicate what we've got going in this one and just sell that as a bundle and see if we can find a home for this last half yard. Here's this bundle. I think it's really cute. So we have the Around the Block Sage, then we have the Let It Bloom. I have this random half yard of Gentle Nostalgia, this orangey color. There is an end of bolt piece in my shop as well. But this one will stick with the bundle. Then we have those little swans, the cone flowers, that pretty yellow, and then these two pinks. Like I said, it is not exact, but that gets you pretty close to this kind of layout. This is probably one of my most favorite quilts. I just love the colors in this one, and I just love it. So I figured I found some when we were doing the mighty clean of the craft room, when we ripped everything apart. So let's try to find that a new home as well. Okay, let's work through project baskets. Now that we've kind of got that fabric out of the way, that was really the only one I wanted to showcase. So here's one that I meant to do a video on and we just didn't. This is a cute little patchwork. This is enough for a baby quilt. I think it ended up being close to 36 square. But let me just show you. There are green blocks, blue blocks, and brown blocks. So just different patchwork. It's just a scrappy patchwork quilt. And that is pretty much the gist of it. So there's the 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13. So that's 34 blocks that I've got here. So if you are interested in this baby quilt, I will have that up for 30 bucks on the website. Okay, I need to be taking notes though, because I'm kind of making this up as I go. Patchwork, baby, 30 bucks. Okay. And that is pretty scrappy, so I really don't have more of that fabric except for this one right here, and there's maybe a yard left of it. So if you're wanting to snag that as well to put a border or something on it, then it's running low. Next up for the project is the Starlets. Let me write that down. Here is how far I have gotten on Starlets. I've got 6 rows put together, and then I have enough blocks already put together in there for actually 2 more rows. And then I have a bunch cut, and I will show you. I'll give you the pattern in there. But here we have the blocks that are done. So like I said, this is 2 rows worth. And then we have a bunch of pieces already cut in here. I don't know how much that is. You could get at least 2 more rows. So if you wanted just to use this pile, you probably get 10 rows wide. And then I have a bunch of white squares for the stars in there. I do still have all of this fabric in the shop if you are wanting more to make it bigger. And even the white, I have a solid white in the shop as well if you need some more of that. But you have this piece in there, and I think that will be sufficient. So here is Starlets. We're gonna put this one at 70 bucks. And you get everything in that basket. Next up we have is this project. This one has a lot of fabric that goes with it. This was a block that we had made, and I think this is the one that I showed off. This is the one that we made in a video. This is just a pattern that I had out of my old piecing books. I'm pretty sure there are 10 blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And it's all in this same kind of color scheme where you have the blues, the pinks, and the greens. And here is all of my leftover fabric for that. So this is the yardage I have left over. Lots of yardage in there. And then this is just the scraps and pieces that I have already cut. So those ones are cut and ready to assemble. And these are just kind of like, oh, there's some more yardage. And these are pieces that we cut from. So a lot of good fabric in there. I have this white on white because some of these have the white star inside of there. This is all I have left of the white on white, but I actually have different whites in there. So if you added different ones, it wouldn't look weird anyways. Like this one has polka dots and flowers, but it's white. So if you are interested in this one, we're going to put this one at 125 because there is so much yardage in here. Okay, just jumping in here because we're talking about it. I have added up all of the yardage for this pile here, and it's about 6 yards worth of fabric. 239 total inches. That's kind of crazy, huh? So if I were to sell that in my shop, it'd be about $82. And I don't think that my 10 blocks of what I've already put together is worth, what is that, remaining 45 bucks. So let's put this one, the butterflies, at 100, and we'll call that even. Okay. All right. Now moving on to the next thing. Next up we have is Heartspun. This is 12 blocks. Yeah, I have 12 blocks put together here. And this was our really scrappy heart quilt that we did earlier in the year. I had meant to make it bigger, but I just didn't get around to it. And like I said, I think not wanting to work on it is usually a big indicator that I'm okay with parting with it. So you can have that quilt top, and then honestly, I have so much scrap in here of the pinks, the purples, and the teals. Like there are so many scraps in here. We have a little bit of the polka dot left, the white on white. And there's some strips and some squares in there. So there's not a ton of this. But again, it's white on white. So I think if you really changed it or you found another white on white polka dot, you would be a-okay. So you'll get that quilt top and all of this scrap. And we're going to put that one at 80 bucks. There's a lot of fabric in there. I'm trying to be as fair with this pricing as possible, but like I said, I am kind of winging it. So if it's just like totally out of your budget, or like you're like, Kate, that's unreasonable, then tell me, please. It's hard to price things that I've worked on. You know what I mean? Because there's like some sort of attachment because I've already started it. So you can tell me if I'm totally out of line. This is the 50/50 quilt. There's a lot of pieces for this one. I have 14 cut squares. This was the Flora bundle. I don't have any more of this yellow, so that's why I had to take it off of the website. But we have 14 cut squares and then maybe like 8 white cut squares already. And I have 14 finished blocks. Do you remember this one? So there are 2 variations. You have the color with the white corners, and then you have the white middle with the color corners, okay? So there are 2 of each color already in the white corners and the colored corners. So there's 14 in here. So that would be 28 blocks just with this remaining fabric here. I do have a lot of the white on white, a lot of the white on white that I used for it. So I'll add that in the basket. Like I said, I don't have that bright yellow. I have 2 scraps of it here. I'm just going to throw it in there because maybe if you're interested, you'll want to piece it. So I don't have this anymore in my shop, but there's what I've been holding on to. And then there's the dark green. This one, I am down to literally these 2 cuts, which is so random. I don't know why I have 2 half-yard cuts, but I do. So I will put one in this basket too. If you're interested in any of the others, they are still up in the shop. So those are just the 2 that were like a little iffy on. So for this one, we'll put this at $60. And let's see, that's 50/50. Okay, $60 for 50/50. You'll get the half yard. You'll get my leftover yellow. You'll get all the white and white. You'll get 14 completed blocks, 14 pre-cut blocks, and some white cut blocks. So lots of good stuff in there. Now we have the quilt tops. So we'll start with this one. This is that kind of like Swedish Scandinavian style fabric. I like this one a lot. It's really cute. I'm glad that I finished it, but I don't think I want to get it quilted. So here is the view of that one. This one is 72 inches square, so it's a pretty good size quilt. Let's see if I can get all this in there for you. So we have all different medallions in these pinks. So you have similar medallions going at an angle there. So you get lots of cute medallions of these birds. I think I pointed the wrong direction, but you get the idea. This one is, like I said, 72 inches square. And I will put this one up at $100 just because it is completely finished. So here's this quilt top. We'll do this the Scandinavian top. The pink and yellow. And yellow top for $100. So that one's really cute. This just felt like an accomplishment to finish it, but I think that's funny that I held on to it for so long and I don't even want to keep it. That's kind of funny. Next up is we have our sampler from our quilt along that we just finished. Well, not just, but it wasn't that long ago. So this one is also square. And we've got kind of like the beigey border on there. This one's really pretty. Okay, and I think I just said it in the gingham video, but I am not loving how much the Riley Blake solids fray. Holy cow. I think we're gonna try Art Gallery solids and see if there's a difference. Oh, let's measure this one. What are we at? That is 62. Like I said, I'm pretty sure this one is square, but you know, it is me. Yeah. Okay, that is 62 square for this sampler quilt top. And we will put this one at 100 as well. It is ready to be finished. Well, it's ready to have all of those random threads cut off of it and then finished. Okay, so let's do a quick recap and then we'll call this video quits. So we have half and half for 60 bucks with the extra fabric in there. We have Starlets. I'll put the pattern in there too, and you have the red and pinks, the summery colors. Starlets for 70 bucks. We have the Patchwork baby quilt for 30 bucks. And we have Heartspun for $80. You get all of that, and then you can get these butterfly patchwork blocks and a ton of yardage. Let's bump that down to 100 because that doesn't make sense that a finished quilt is cheaper than. Okay. Then we have our sampler quilt for 100 and the Swedish pink and yellow quilt for 100. Phew. Huge thank you for your support so far. I really appreciate you guys, like a lot. I'm really grateful ahead of time for whatever you guys grab from this little Purge sale, and I'm really excited to see you finish them. I love that last time we did a Purge sale, you guys sent me pictures of how you finished these projects, and that was so fun. Okay, everything is listed. It is ready for you. Stop listening to me talk. Go to the website. Bye, friends.